Hello everyone. Get ready for an exciting video as ThinkNX Technologies explores the world of artificial intelligence. Today, we will explore the extensive impact of AI encompassing various industries and our day-to-day lives. So, without any further delay, let's start this journey together. Let's have a look at the agenda of this video tutorial. To begin with, we'll discuss what is artificial intelligence, commonly referred to AI. We'll dive deep into the historical roots of AI and explore its evolution over the years. Following that, we'll explore why AI is a necessity in today's world. Moving on, we'll examine the applications of AI and how it is implemented in different domains. Further, we'll discuss how AI has made a significant impact in today's world. And at the end, we'll have a look into the workflow of AI, exploring its systematic process. So, let's get started. Let's address the question, what is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to the development of computer systems as an attempt to replicate human intelligence. In simpler terms, AI involves training machines to perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence. It's about making computer systems smart enough to learn, think logically, and solve problems on their own. But does AI implies the creation of human intelligence? The answer is no. AI machines are designed to imitate human behavior, but their purpose is not to replace humans. Therefore, referring them as a second human is not accurate. AI systems are designed to learn and adapt over time, enhance performance gradually by leveraging past experiences, collect data, and gain knowledge from the task they are performing. Let's take a look at the market share and the growth of AI in recent years. In 2021, market revenue of AI amounted to approximately $40 billion, and it continued to grow in 2022 to around $52 billion. In 2023, as time passed, it crossed $70 billion. Today, this market share is growing rapidly and is expected to cross over $90 billion. This clearly shows that AI is progressing each day and the market is set to expand further over time. If we talk about the evolution of AI, in 1943, the evolution of neurons marked the introduction of AI to the world. In 1966, the first chatbot named Eliza was introduced, well trained to engage in conversations with humans. Webbot 1, a full-scale human-like robot, was designed in 1972. In 1980, the Expert System Configure, commonly known as XCON, was released, automating computer system orders based on customer needs. Deep Blue, an IBM-developed chess-playing computer, became the first to defeat a reigning world chess champion in 1997. The year 2001 witnessed the unveiling of Watson by IBM, an AI computer system proficient in answering questions in natural language. Moving further, the world saw the rise of personal assistants. Google Now in 2012, Amazon Echo in 2015, and Google Assistant in 2016. In 2022, ChatGPT, a highly acclaimed chatbot, established a groundbreaking standards that is set to revolutionize the future of AI. Now, we'll discuss why AI is necessity in today's world. We prefer to streamline our operations by minimizing repetitive and time-consuming tasks, with AI emerging as optimal alternative. AI excels in analyzing and making predictions based on provided data. It helps a great deal in optimizing processes and workflow efficiently. It can solve complex problems and make decisions leveraging the past experiences and results. AI has introduced applications and services that were previously considered impossible. Here are a few use cases of AI. In healthcare, AI is widely employed for processing medical data and is successful in identifying several diseases like tumor, cancer, etc. among patients. AI plays a crucial role in development of radar systems for security and defense. AI is changing education by making learning more personalized and by acting as a tool which supports both teachers and students. Artificial intelligence plays a major role in banking and finance by not only detecting fraudulent transactions but also predicting customers' churn. Self-driving vehicles today incorporate AI-based dash technology. Automation in manufacturing plants where robots are programmed for production is possible due to AI. AI has made possible the development of recommendation systems which find majority of their applications in the entertainment industry, as seen in platforms like Netflix and Spotify. In workplaces, AI aids to performing unbiased performance reviews, thus reducing the human workload. Here are few applications of artificial intelligence. AI navigation. AI powers modern navigation by analyzing real-time traffic data, suggesting optimal routes, and enhancing overall travel efficiency. AI robots. Since 2014, AI-driven robots have seamlessly integrated into various industries, demonstrating remarkable capabilities and spearheading a new era of automation. Recommendation systems. AI algorithm personalizes user experiences by precisely analyzing behaviors, providing personalized suggestions for content or products across diverse digital platforms. Advertisements. Targeted advertising flourishes with AI-driven analysis of user behaviors, strategically presenting personalized ads on multiple platforms, thereby optimizing marketing efficiency. Now let's have a look into its workflow. AI, in simple terms, blends massive datasets with complex algorithms to solve problems. Remember, AI isn't just one algorithm. It is a complex system designed to solve issues and suggest solutions. Input collection or gathering data. The first step in the process is to collect the necessary data for the artificial intelligent machines to work efficiently. This can include text, images, or speech. It's crucial that the algorithms must understand this data correctly. We also define what this data means and what results we want from it. Processing phase or analyzing the data. Our AI-powered system takes this data and decides what to do with it. It uses pre-programmed information and what it has learned to recognize new patterns with the data. This helps a great deal in the decision-making process. Prediction outcomes. After processing, the AI model predicts outcomes and evaluates the data to determine if everything looks good or if there are any potential issues. Adaptation phase or learning and improving. When faced with unexpected outcomes, our model learns from its mistakes, adapting its processes to better align with the data, thereby improving the overall accuracy. Assessment phase or refining and enhancing. After finishing its tasks, our model enters the assessment phase where it analyzes data, draws interference, and other valuable feedback. This stage enables the technology to make necessary adjustment and refinement before rerunning the algorithm. AI undergoes a continuous cycle of absorbing data, comprehending and learning from it, making predictions, adapting to change, and evaluating its performance. This iterative process enhances AI's problem-solving abilities, making it a valuable asset across various domains. Although AI has transformed the world we live in, there are certain challenges or drawbacks associated with it. The ability to generate fake content using AI has significant potential to cause harm. This could cause a greater problem in politics, where misinformation is already a big issue. or in the financial sector in the form of fraud and extortion. Artificial intelligence can also be harmful when used for decision-making processes because it works on the motive of achieving maximum performance without considering the cause, effect, or a broader context. AI models can amplify biases present in the data they are trained on. If the training data contains biased information, the model might generate biased outputs, hampering the decision-making process. The widespread use of AI raised significant privacy concerns as these systems could collect and process vast amounts of personal data. The challenge lies in finding the balance between harnessing the benefits of AI and safeguarding individuals' privacy rights. In conclusion, artificial intelligence has evolved from theory to impactful application, driving innovation across industries. Its impressive growth, both in market value and technological capabilities, highlights its pivotal role in shaping our world. As AI continues its dynamic learning loop, the future promises further advancements, making it an indispensable force in our ever-changing technological landscape. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, do hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. To know more about ThinkNX technologies, you can click on the link provided in the description box. We shall see you in our upcoming videos. Stay tuned for more updates from us.